There's the Paulus. The Paulus cars are quite cool. I got a corn dog. Are you ready?
Good morning. It is travel day. We're going from Tokyo to Kyoto by bullet train. That's not our train. Ours is in about half an hour, but we've got our tickets and we're sitting on the Mount Fuji side to see Mount Fuji. So it took us a while to get here, so we had to get a subway from our hotel to a station and then walk about 15 minutes. And then we're here. And they come every like 13 minutes. I didn't realise they'd be that frequent, but every 13 minutes they come. So yes, got our bags. And Kyle's just gone in that shop just there, just to get a drink. And yeah, so we will show you when we get on the train. Right, I'm just going to show you what the front of the train looks like. Everyone's taking photos. Yeah, it's got a big nose.
Morning people. I don't know, I've been introduced to the vlog today, but I'm shattered. That's our train. Just pulled in. We're car number 3, so we're gonna wander up all the way along, and we'll show you what it's about. Everyone's lining up to get in. I think people use these just to get around because they're like every 10 minutes, so it's not like a rare occasion. Obviously for us it is, but for like locals, pretty sure they use them to just get from city to city if they've got a little bit of wonga behind them. Right, we found number 3. We're 1 and 2, which is I'm presuming is here. So we'll be this side or that side. Here we are. Where are we?
Snack hall.
I'm gonna
And some cheese and crackers. Cheese crackers. Apple juice. Water. Orange juice. I got 3 drinks because I'm Snickers. I got 3 drinks because I'm dying of thirst.
So off. It's exactly 10. I was actually about to go get a water, so I'm glad I didn't. At least without would have left those. big city, it's Kyoto. It's another big city, isn't it, pretty much? But just nowhere near as big as Tokyo.
Yeah, but it has got like smaller, it's like less city.
Does it? Alright, okay. So let's try and find out a way out. That was meant that. I'm really glad we done that.
Yeah. And it's so pretty. Like the countryside of Japan.
Yeah, very pretty. Like unbelievably pretty. I wasn't expecting that, considering we've just been in a massive city. Very pretty. Dunzo. So, this is what it looks like. I think we were going to stay on that Ibis. But I don't want to come to the other side of the world and just stay on an Ibis hotel, do I? Down this back through here. But that's the only bullet train we're doing, because you can get elsewhere within a couple of hours just on a slow train, which is a lot cheaper. We're going to get a GR Rail for the southwest of Japan. Pretty much get everywhere we're going to, bar maybe a handful. But we've done the maths and it doesn't work out. I think you would have paid like, let's say 200 quid in total, and it does you for 21 days for like 2 people. But we're staying here for over a month, so we would have had to get 2. And even then it wouldn't have worked out. So that's why we just bought one ticket and then just figure it out after. That's the Polis. The Polis cars are quite cool. Right, we are at our real hotel, like an actual hotel. Not what we've just been staying in, where we had to check in and fucking get rid of our own rubbish and shit like that. Konnichiwa. Can we check in? After 3?
Yes.
Okay, can we leave our bags?
Okay.
Okay. Arigato gozaimasu.
Today to 5 nights
Yes, 5 nights.
and
Yes.
1 bedroom.
1 bedroom.
No smoking permitted.
Right then, we are hot. Cool down a bit. And we're just looking for a cafe. Have a sit, have a little drink. Because we've got 2.5 hours. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Something's quite unbeautiful. Some creatures great and small. Temperature check on the cards. We have in Kyoto. Fuck man, why does it never know where I am? 25 degrees. 26 it gets up to today in about 5-10 minutes. That was a lie, maybe an hour. 5 UV index. What was that point on that? Honestly, some people. Anyway. 5 UV, 25 degrees. This is probably the hottest day we've had so far.
Yeah, I agree.
But we are somewhere different, maybe that's why.
Yeah.
But we're not, I was going to say it's further south, but I don't think we are. I think we just left.
7-Eleven, here's what I'm going to get. Cheese curry puff. No.
Right, so we've got a little bit more options there. Lots of coffee. That coffee is absolutely unreal, by the way. Pouring natural mineral water, 50p. Can't go wrong with it, can ya? I'll have one of them, please.
お支払い方法をお選びください。IC カードをタッチ、または差し込んでください。レシートをお受け取りください。お取り忘れにご注意ください。
Sorted. The only thing that they don't have here, which other than Thailand, is perfect for just seats. It's too hot. It's actually blasphemy. No benches anywhere. I'm sure in Tokyo there's benches places, wasn't there?
I will go down sit on that.
Yeah, that's probably something better. He just crossed the road there, you know. I think I might.
Hello. We've now arrived at a mall. because I think there's a Starbucks in here. So we're just gonna chill in there. We're chilling here until 3, and then go back to our room and we just chill for a bit. So tired. We've done over 10,000 steps every day that we've been here, and yesterday in Disney we done 19,000, just shy of 20,000 actually. So I'm aching. Need a rest. Alright guys, we're back. It has been several hours. We're now in our hotel room, and I'll give you a quick room tour. We have started unpacking, so it's a bit of a mess. But door, and they've actually got these magnets that you stick on your front door if you want your room cleaning or not. So that's handy. Got the aircon card, and then we've just got some hooks and our bathroom toilet, which is one of the fancy Japanese toilets, and it's got a heated toilet seat, so perfect. Sink, bath and shower, and the bath is really nice. We've both had a bath since I've been here in 2 hours, and it's really good, isn't it? The bath.
Absolutely 10 out of 10. It doesn't look that it's comfy, but if your full body gets submerged, it's nice.
Yeah, really nice. So that's the bathroom.
I also got a deodorant.
Oh yeah.
And it smells like mint. Smell it.
Smell-o-vision.
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 It stinks of mint, and my armpits are on fire. But it is, well, we haven't seen any normal deodorant, have we?
No.
But Western deodorant.
But we would consider normal deodorant. And a window, and this is our view of Kyoto bus station. But we'll have with 2 windows actually, which is good. Big mirror and a massive air humidifier, so we've got that on. Then we've got a fridge, telly with hashtag aircon, and then more stuff dumped everywhere. They don't give you any storage space in hotels to like put your stuff, so Kyle's put his on a chair. Then I've got the bed and our second window. Squeeze past the bed. Actually, it's quite nice view if you ignore that building there. We've got the street down there and the hills in the background. And this was £56 a night, so it's actually more expensive than our Tokyo hotel. Our Tokyo hotel was £51 a night, and it's nice, but I do think I prefer the Tokyo one. But yes, and we are here for 5 nights, and we don't think there's actually very much to do, so I don't know what we're going to be doing. And we are now going to go to 7-Eleven to get some tea, because there's one just down the street, and it's nice and it's cheap. But we'll show you, of course, what they've got available in 7-Eleven in Japan, because you hear all about 7-Eleven in Thailand, but you never hear anything about 7-Eleven in Japan. So
no, 7-Eleven in Japan, I think, is a little bit better for food.
Do you think?
On-the-go food.
It's more like proper meals.
Rather than heated up stuff.
More proper fresh meals.
No chance to sit down and have them.
No. Yeah, we used to just get over 7-Eleven food in Thailand and just sit in 7-Eleven to eat. It's just when we're out and about. But they don't do that here, that we've seen so far. This is a big 7-Eleven, so we're getting a basket. They all have hot water machines, so you can make your instant noodles here. And a photocopier. Oh! They've got seats! That's strange, isn't it? That looks good. Spicy rice bowl with chicken. That's what he's having.
Right then, I think the light's a bit bad for the camera here, but fuck it.
Oh, I got that as well. I haven't even warmed that up. Are you joking?
Just put it in the fridge. I got a corn dog. Are you ready?
Corn dog?
Oh,
Wait, they give you sauce for your corn dog?
exactly. It smells unreal, like, you know. Right, first bite. Oh, that's alright, alright. Cold burrito. Eve's apple juice. Eve's
Katsu curry, that's
katsu
squash.
curry. Looks alright though.
But we know that's
Another nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I tried something different. I've got spicy rice bowl with chicken. I'm not too sure how that'll be, but we'll try it.
And then dumplings, of course, because they are just unreal.
I forgot I got these, fuck. Got the usual, which is lovely. That's 10 out of 10 now. It's cold. It'd be nice if it was warm, but I don't think it would warm it up. And macaroni, bacon, vegetables, and mayonnaise.
It's like a Morrison salad type thing, you know. And then we chose each other a drink to try. So I chose you this pink thing.
Eve chose me. We don't know what it is. If anyone knows Japanese, start from there. Go from there.
Pink juice.
Pink juice.
And then Kyle chose for me a Fanta.
Peach Fanta.
Yeah, we think it's peach. Just by the shape of the fruit. But.
So I'm going to try this drink.
Oh,
This is fizzy. Oh, that smells. Oh, you would love that. That's Fanta fruit twist.
it's not.
It is. That smells like Fanta fruit twist. It doesn't taste like it.
Oh,
It tastes very watered down.
it does not like Fanta fruit, does. Still nice
It's
though.
still nice, yeah, it is.
Mine's, I don't know if it's peach
Very
or like
fresh.
grapefruit or something. I don't know if you like that though. It's nice.
That's peach.
Do you think? I do like peach sparkling water, so
That's unreal.
yeah,
That's very nice. Yeah.
good choice from you.
Alright, I'm trying this. It's carbonara, that. So we got this piece of chicken, some rice, and what was it? What them things called? Like you said,
Rice cakes.
what we called? And a rice cake.
The bulky.
That's nice. That's nice. And the rest you'll have seen on the other vlogs. Not much on this vlog today other than the speed train, which is pretty cool in itself, to be honest with you. Hopefully we've got enough footage on there for it to be a vlog. I think we will have. So if you're here, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. What are the next comment to you?
Let's think about this one.
We've got this for common speed train, and we'll see us in tomorrow's vlog where we are. Well, we don't have a clue what we're doing. We're just we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So see you later.